Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Anzur Ahmed, lecturer history. Our today's question for 12th class students of history subject is: what do you mean by shogun? Give a brief history of shogun in Japan. Dear students, the word shogun has been taken from the Japanese word sho, meaning commander, and gun, meaning troops. Thus, shogun means commander of troops. The title shogun was given to hereditary military commanders in Japan when there was feudal system of government in Japan, and the military commanders used to come from same families. That's why they were called as hereditary military commanders. That is, after the death of father, his son or any other relative used to become the military commander, and the authoritative military commanders used to remain in the same families for a long time. And we understand that shogun was the title applied to the chief military commanders from 8th century AD to the end of the 12th century AD. During this period, that's from 8th century to 12th century AD, the shogun, that is military commanders, had only military powers in their own hands. They had no political powers, they had no administrative powers. Shoguns were just military commanders and had only military powers in their own hands. But from 1185 to 1868, shogun was the title given to the hereditary military commanders who governed Japan, who administered Japan, who had all powers, all political, military and civil powers, all powers in their hands in Japan. And thus from 1185 to 1868, shoguns became the virtual rulers of Japan, who had all powers, all commands, all authorities in their own hands. No doubt there was ruler as well in Japan during this period, but the ruler used to be just for namesake. A ruler had no powers. A ruler was just a puppet in the hands of the shoguns, that is military commanders. So from 1185 to 1868, the Japan was practically run by the shoguns, that is military commanders. Though there were rulers during this time, but the rulers were just for name, and as the rulers had no power during this time. And from 1603 to 1867, the members of the Tokugawa family held the position of shogun. That is, from 1603 to 1867, the shoguns, the military commanders from the Tokugawa family, ruled over Japan, governed Japan, and administered Japan. Ultimately, it was in 1868 when Mutsuhito Meiji became the ruler of Japan, and he ended the shogun rule by restoring all powers back to the king, back to the emperor in Japan, which earlier had been snatched from the ruler during 12th century and by the members of the Tokugawa family. So in 1868, the shogun rule in Japan was put an end at the hands of Mutsuhito Meiji when the powers of ruler were restored.